Maghapon na kayo naglaro, ha? Maghapon yan sila naglaro. Are you done raking the grass?
Yeah.
What
You
about
go
over
inside.
there?
We're going inside.
What the heck? Is that your potion magic?
Yep.
Hey! Okay, let's go inside, guys. Let's eat dinner. Dinner time! Happy weekend, everyone! So, ayan. Magba-barbecue kami. Yan si Uncle Mike. Dutusan ko si Nicole bumili ng rice. Kaya naubusan na kami ng rice, guys. So, ayan. Paalis na siya. Hi, Rocky! Asan si Nova? Where's Nova? Because we're going to barbecue chicken. Dito. Ayan, ready na. So, ito na yung chicken, guys. Ayan. So, this is our dinner tonight. Hi, Rocky. May bubu bear. Ay, nako. Nahiga ka na naman dyan sa, sa grass. Come on, Rock. Nova's eating stick. What are you eating? Ha? Ayan. Kumakain siya ng stick. Nakain mo yan, Nova? You eating it? Oh my.
Yeah.
Kat, mag-iihaw na si Kat.
Okay. Oh, okay. 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 That's cool. That's cool. I'll give you.